AJS, as we all know, is an alternative justice system from the mainstream formal system, court system. So what we engage in, we engage the elders. We engage the elders. Those elders have been trained by various donors, including FIDA and the JTI. So what will happen, you'll find that cases come before us, and some of those cases, when you look at it, the charge sheet, we see that this is a matter that can be referred to the elders. They'll empanel themselves, odd numbers, and then they will sit over an issue. So they will meet, and where they decide to sit, we'll leave it to them. So you'll find they'll sit in forests, where traditionally disputes were resolved, depending on the community, where they could sit and then determine these cases that is before them. Once the cases are determined, they will bring back the resolution to us. So then we'll ask both parties, do you agree with this resolution? If the parties agree with this resolution, we'll now adopt it as an order of the court. I think there are many issues within the policy that are quite transformative in the justice sector, but one thing is like diverting cases so that not all cases should come into the mainstream judicial system. You'll find like most cases referred to the AJS will be able to resolve so many cases because these elders have been resolving these issues. So referring them, it's also a way of cutting down on the costs of even litigation. So I think it will go a long way. I'll say in certain offenses, especially sexual offenses involving children, that one is a no-go zone. We don't touch those. But there are those that will be determined by case-to-case basis, even if it's murder, but on a case-to-case basis, so that we don't generalize it, because they are different, each case is different and unique on its own. So I think it's on a case-to-case basis. Yeah. So I'll not say blanketly that these are the offenses that should not go to AJS, or these are those that should go to AJS. I think the major challenge is an aspect of community accepting that these elders also are like the courts. They also help in administering justice. So we need to do a lot of community sensitization, and trust me, it will be a process. I don't think it's a one-off. It's a process which will take time before we finally adopt it and say this is also part of the justice system.